Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to forward a mail in Gmail. So first of all, launch Gmail application on your mobile devices. Now once you come to your email section, tap open any mail you wish to forward. For instance, I'm going to tap on this mail. Now at the bottom right corner you'll see the option of forward. Tap on it. Now over here in this field, you would have to enter the email address of the person you are forwarding this mail to. Now you could also add other email addresses if you wish to. Now if you tap on these three dots at the left hand side corner, you'll see the mail that you are going to forward. You can also add additional messages, insert files, or simply tap on this arrow button that you see at the top. So if you tap on it, you will successfully be able to forward the specific mail to various other people on Gmail. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.